Hi friends, this video shows how to change default alarm sound. Go to settings, tap on the settings up icon, then select sound, then go down. Here we can see default alarm sound, tap on that. So default alarm sound is classic. So we have other options like this. We can also add a custom alarm sound from our phone. If you have a audio file, you can set that as a alarm using this add alarm option. If you want to select new alarm from this list, we can just select it. See, if you don't want alarm, we can select none. So we can select one alarm from this list. This is a default. Okay, so this way we can change. So this way we can change default alarm. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe my channel. Please like and share the video.